Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Mini Cooper fog light bulb full guide. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the battery negative terminal. Put on gloves and eye protection, and gather tools like a flathead screwdriver, 10 mm socket, and a replacement bulb such as H11. Work patiently and avoid touching the bulb glass with bare fingers. I will walk you through each step clearly and safely. With the wheel turned, remove the few plastic clips and screws securing the wheel arch liner to reveal the fog lamp housing. Gently pull back the liner just enough to reach the back of the fog lamp assembly, taking care not to overstretch or break clips. If access is tight, use a small mirror or phone light to see the socket. Keep removed fasteners organized so reassembly is straightforward and quick. Twist the fog lamp back cover counterclockwise to access the bulb socket, then disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab. Twist the socket counterclockwise and pull the old bulb straight out, avoiding sudden jerks. Fit the new bulb by its base only, never touch glass with bare fingers, then reinsert the socket and twist to lock. Reconnect the battery and test the fog light to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.